The MPC series is a lot easier to drive. Makes it a lot easier because you can turn on a dime. That's what I like about it.
My name is Teresa Baugh, Distribution Center Manager for Lodge Manufacturing in South Pittsburg, Tennessee. We produce and manufacture cast iron cookware. We are currently using the MPC series to pick outbound orders. Our associates appreciate the durability as well as the ergonomic features. Picking the cast iron products can get heavy on the backs, and being able to raise and lower the forks was big from an ergonomic standpoint.
Our operators are able to raise the forks and work in a more ergonomic position so they're not hunched over a pallet that's at ground level, and it's just made their days more comfortable and much easier during their 10-hour shifts.
I like the forklift. It makes my job easier because the forks lift up higher, so you're not bending over to, and it hurts your back, so it makes it a lot easier. Yeah, the electronic steering makes it easier to steer. When you're backing up under a pallet, it makes it a lot easier because you can turn on a dime. That's what I like about it.
When choosing trucks, we absolutely took into consideration what our operators had to say, because they are the people that are going to be using it all day, and we want to choose trucks that are going to make their day and their job more efficient, easier, because they're really the people that are the experts in that field.